In this tutorial we will show you the step-by-step process of converting Pegasus files to other format using the RecoveryTools Pegasus Mail Converter. To install our Pegasus Mail conversion tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This tool provides users with select folder or select file options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the Pegasus file you wish to convert, and then click on Open option below. Check on checkbox to view a list of all the chats in the selected Pegasus file. Click on any chat to view its contents. The contents of the selected chat will be displayed below. This tool provides saving options. Click the Save button to proceed. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PST, MSG, EML, PDF, and many others. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Saving Destination Path and File Naming Options section lets you specify the destination folder where the exported file will be saved. Create Single Outlook PST file will create single PST file for all the chats in the selected Pegasus file. After selecting the destination folder, click on OK button and the conversion process will begin. The trail version will only process 25 messages, and to remove the limit, user will have to purchase license to the software. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.